Welcome and welcome back to Mrs. G's Living. In today's video, I review the AMIKA Rescue Teen set. So I recently detangled my hair. Yes, my hair is detangled. I just finished working out. So this is how my 4C hair looks once I work out. So the Rescue Team retails for $32. It comes with the Bond Repair Shampoo. It comes with the Bond Repair Conditioner. It comes with a detangling primer, as well as it comes with a repair mask. So let's shampoo 2 US full ounces. The conditioner 2 full ounces. And the mask, oh, it smells amazing. Just even through the box. Oh my God, it smells amazing. The Intense Strength Repair Mask in 2 full ounces, as well as the Detangler, which is 2 full ounces as well. So I just finished saturating my hair with water and just going through to see if there needs to be any other detangling. So we have the Strength Repair. The AMIKA stuff smells amazing. Oh my God. Look how it lathers. Gosh. And it's already lathering well. I love the smell of it. Oh. Lather is 5 out of 5. Smell is 5 out of 5. So this is the first wash. Oh, my hair feels amazing. My scalp feels amazing. First wash, and my scalp feels amazingly clean. Look at my ringlets. Like, my God, it feels amazing. We're going in with the second wash. The first time around I used, because I'm overhanded with the products, but a little goes a long way. Yeah, a little goes a long way, so be light-handed. Don't be like me, be light-handed. Enough left for maybe another wash. If you use less, you'll have like maybe 3 washes out of it. So this is how we're looking. Let's get into the wash. This is wash number 2. My hair still feels amazing. It does not feel squeaky clean or stripped. It actually feels moisturized, soft, and bouncy, and it smells amazing, which is similar experience that I had with the hydrating. You know, sometimes when you use like repair or rescue kits, they tend to dry out your hair, but not with this. So now we're going to try the Strength Repair Conditioner. So it's packed with vegan proteins, bond fortifying technology to strengthen and reduce breakage when paired with the Kure shampoo. Use it, massage into wet hair, rinse thoroughly, avoid contact with the eyes. From the packaging, it's thick. Okay, that's the thickness. Try not to. Oh my God, that feels good too. I just love when I try products for the first time and as soon as it hits my hair, I can just feel, because you usually know as soon as it hits your hair whether it's compatible with your hair or not. But I get it throughout all my strands from the top to the bottom, especially because the bottom is where, you know, your older hair is. I may not get more than maybe 1.5 usage because I'm using a lot from the conditioner. I'm excited to try the repair. So for the shampoo, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 because that was amazing. And so let's see for the conditioner. Okay, this is how my curls look with the conditioner. My hair looks after the conditioner. Still hydrated. It feels thicker. It feels tangled. Let's just make sure. So good. I would definitely give the conditioner, because my hair doesn't feel stripped. It actually still feels moisturized. So I would definitely give the conditioner the 5 out of 5. And so we're gonna now try the hair mask. I'm more concerned about, because me and hair mask, like hoping that the hair mask lives up to the shampoo and conditioner. So this is the hair mask. It is medium as far as consistency. So it's not too thick. Oh no, it's thick. Nah, I've had thicker. So it's thick. Okay, so let's try it. I don't know why I have to rub it in, but I do. Oh, I like that. So that's my initial reaction. So let's get it from the root. It has bonding repair, and I'm somewhat feeling that because my hair feels extra thick. Not that it needed it, but because you know, I'm a 40 baddie. The density is on 100, but the density could be 150. Or could it be? Okay, so this is how, let me put some on the top because I feel like I'm forgetting the top. I have one more usage, maybe 1 to 2. I feel like the mask comes with a lot, even though it's the same fluid ounces. But this is how my hair looks, and it feels thick, extra thick. So I'm assuming that bonding treatment is actually working because it feels extra thick. So this is how it looks. Come back when it's time to rinse. AMIKA baby, come to the front. Oh my God, my hair feels amazing. Nice and soft and supple. Like, are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? Let me detangle for you. Let me detangle. Let me show you it's not knotting up. That was amazing. 5 out of 5. Give me 14 of them. 5 out of 5. Now the detangling spray, I usually don't like sprays, but this was phenomenal. This has now dethroned, like I like the hydrating set, and that was amazing. So far this is dethroning the hydrating set, because I feel like this can be a hydrating set as well, because it's left my hair so moisturized. Now off to look at the detangling spray, which I don't really have high hopes for the spray, but I'm gonna be optimistic since everything else was amazing. So let's step out of the shower. You want to know, because I know we got some nosy people out there that keep talking about my fairy knots and my shedding. Look how much shedding. So I actually detangled before, like once or twice after I took out my braids, because you know, after protective style, you gotta detangle. And then, so this is how much? Not a lot. This is actually, I usually have more than this, 4 times more than this when I do my regular shampooing. So this is amazing. I'm not saying this because of the products, but I'm saying that I am thoroughly detangling, so I don't have. Last item in the AMIKA set, we have the silicone detangling primer. So let me just, so everything else I give a 5 out of 5. I would highly recommend. So let's just try this primer and let's see what it's working with. Evenly mist through damaged hair before detangling or blow drying. Okay, so let's see. Smells amazing. Yeah, I don't like it. I already knew. Because it is, no. Maybe if I try it with blow drying. It like, I would have preferred, so they seem to have a lot of sprays. I really need for them to have a cream in any of the detangling items that they have it in a cream. Some type of cream. I'm sick of the sprays. So the spray I would give, honestly, maybe if I'll try it when I'm blow drying. So let me see. Let me get the Knot Doctor. I'll link it below. So let's try this again. This is the Detangling Primer. It feels like it doesn't moisturize the hair. It feels like it's just laying on top of my hair. It is helping with the detangling, but I would actually, as I said, prefer in a cream base. In the last hydrating set, they also had a spray detangler and I hated it. I think it's the spray is probably the worst products from this line. Everything else I enjoy, so try it. So I would give this the primer. It, like, as I said, it lays on top and it kind of makes your hair dry. I would honestly give this a 0 and not recommend, but for the smell, I'm gonna give it a 1 out of 5. 1 meaning I would never recommend this, especially if you have like 4C hair. This is probably for the girlies that may have like their hair is texturized, they may have a perm in their hair, or maybe a looser texture, but this is not, the sprays is not for the 4C girlies, in my opinion, for my 4C hair. I'm gonna still use it because I paid money for it and it smells good. I'll probably use it as like a hairspray to kind of refresh and make my hair smell good, but as a detangling primer, whatever that means, like, is it a primer like how you would use your makeup, you use it before and then add the rest of the products to it? Maybe I should have just added the rest of the products to it. We're gonna come back and try that theory. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna pair it with my Hollywood Beauty Olive Deep Conditioner. Get up on it. Like, if you're looking for a deep conditioner 4C that's affordable, this is $4.41 in my beauty supply store. It's worth it. So I'm gonna try a different area this time. So the Detangle Primer, let's try it. I love the smell of it. It smells amazing. I just don't like how it feels on top of it feels like silicone. I don't like how it feels on top of the hair, honestly. Okay. Try my leave-in conditioner. Because if it don't work well with it, I don't know what to do. Because this is golden. Oh, yes. Give it back to me, baby. Give me back the moisture. Oh, I don't like it mixed with it. I'm going to tell you right now. My hair don't feel so great with it mixed with it. But you see how? Now with that, with the conditioner, the deep conditioner, the leave-in conditioner. You see how that worked? No knots, no detangling. So let's try it with the doctor. Yeah, forego that. Forego that. Get everything else. Forego that. Pass, go. Do not get this. This is not for us. But everything else, amazing. It feels soft and amazing. The shampoo, the conditioner did what it needed to do. The primer, but everything else, oh, my hair feels